it's Millie here and welcome to my channel. You are tuned in for another video. In today's video, I will be doing a video on how to blend your kinky curly hair with your leave out while also doing this half up, half down style. So I will leave all of what you need, the products, in the description box. But right now, you'll just see me moisturizing my leave out because we ain't got time for dry hair when you putting this wig on, okay? I use Cream of Nature's leave-in conditioner, and I also just use some good old some good old oil Sheen because I didn't have anything else. So yeah, that's what I used. So now you'll see me putting the wig on. And I also, to add, going back to the products, I really don't use a lot of products on my hair. I don't feel like you really need a lot of products. But yeah, you'll see some of the other ones I use later throughout the video. But now you see me just securing the wig. So like we secure the bag, we gotta secure the wig. So I'm securing the wig with these bobby pins, just placing around the perimeter of the wig. Also, this wig is a crochet unit that I made. I can also put in the description box the kind of hair this is if you all are interested, and I also will be making a video about how I made this unit. Now, let me say this, because it looks a little cray-cray right now. Yes, it looks a little cray-cray. And the reason it looks a little cray-cray is because I just literally had it in a bag, and so now you'll see me kind of, trying to fluff it because I'm looking at it and I'm like, this looks crazy. Like, what's happening here? But it's not going to look like that at the end of the video, so that's a good thing. So, now you'll see me have a meltdown because I am hot, and it's hot with these lights, so there's that. Okay, so you'll see me pulling out the portion of my hair that I want to be in this half up, half down look. And this hair, my hair blends perfectly with this hair, but now I am taking some Eco Styler gel. It is the Argan oil gel. No, not the Argan oil, I will put it in the link. But yeah, the yellow with the red top. You'll see me blending in my hair with the Eco Styler gel. And you want to leave out enough of your leave out to cover like the band of the crochet wig. You kind of see me coughing. Of the crochet wig. Because you don't want that to show when you are putting this style up. But most of the time, like since the hair is so big, it'll cover it up anyways. But you'd rather be safe than sorry. So you just see me kind of smoothing it out, brushing the hair over the band, the wig band, to make sure that you cannot see that. I'm just kind of smoothing that out. And yeah, like I was saying, I don't know if I finished what I was saying actually now that I think about it, but this hair really blends well with my hair. It really blends well. So now you'll see me taking this edge booster. It is the yellow one. It smells like pineapple. It smells amazing, actually. Take a little bit of that, rub it between both hands, and, just kind of slick it on back. Slick it on back. So that's what you'll see me doing right here. Slicking the hair back, brushing it again, brushing it up. It's really simple. This is one of my favorite styles because it is so simple to do with hair like this. I love flip over styles because I like being able to leave my leave out a little bit, and because I'm still learning this whole wig synthetic life. So you'll see me just pulling the hair up into what I want to be in this half up, half down style. So just a little bit of your hair you want to take and put that part of it into a ponytail. I have those huge ponytail holders, elastic bands. If you can see it kind of in the video, I'm sorry if it's not too visible, because the girl was kind of struggling with this ponytail because it is a lot of hair to try to get in this elastic band, okay? So you have to be patient. Don't be trying to just like pull it through and think that it's just gonna easily go through, because this is kinky curly hair. So yeah, you'll see me here, kind of struggling, but we're getting it together. Okay. I look crazy right now. Oh, need to doctor up this hair now. Okay, so you'll see me kind of just like splitting the hair, to make sure that the ponytail is even on both sides. You'll see me doing that right now. These random pieces of hair are coming from, but we'll go with it. And I'm just taking a little bit more of the Eco Styler gel just to slick that ponytail back some more. Make sure, you know, that it's not going anywhere. I don't have any flyaways, because I don't need my hair flapping in the wind. Ooh, my camera almost fell. Thought I edited that out. Too invested, so I'm not going to worry about that. Okay, so then you take a piece of your hair from the ponytail now to cover up that elastic band. So you're just going to want to wrap it around the ponytail. And so as you're wrapping it around, it'll probably wrap around it a good like 2 times. You'll see me here trying to, you know, get it settled, I guess you could say. I guess that's the proper terminology. You'll see me here trying to do that. And once you get it wrapped around, I just like to secure it with a bobby pin. I usually use like 2, just to make sure that it's secured in the back. So that's what you see me doing right now. Securing. Okay. She's coming along. She's coming along. Okay. So then when you're in the front, now I'm just kind of showing you, you know, what that looks like now that you have taken that piece. If you happen to leave any of it out by accident, just kind of, you know, blend that in. And like I said, no, we're not doing that. So even though this hair is a crochet hair, I decided to spray a little bit of water on it to wake it up, because like I said, it has just been sitting. So, you know, kinky curly hair in general kind of likes to clump together. So I wanted to separate those curls to give it more of that afro look, because this is an afro and I'm feeling her. Okay, you see me doing the same thing on the other side. You know, you just want your afro to look even. You don't want to be walking around with a lopsided afro. Spraying some more good old oil Sheen. Spraying some more leave-in conditioner on the actual hair. Yes. And then I have an actual afro pick that you see me using to fluff up the hair. And then I did cut the hair some, because it was certain pieces that I felt like did not look right until I cut it. And I did do some of that off camera because it was kind of hard to do that on camera. And the last thing I want to do is cut hair that I didn't mean to cut. So now you'll see me, you know, about to lay them edges. So I take some of the edge booster, and you just see me putting that on my edges with this toothbrush. Y'all, I had a whole edge brush, and I have no idea where I did with it. But yes, to the good old toothbrushes. I found this toothbrush. It has not been used. It's only been used for this. So I was like, okay, perfect. We're going to lay our edges today. So you just see me laying my edges. Also, something that I did not add, I realized I left out a step when I was doing this. Ooh, so I had to get that light and right for y'all. Okay. And the only irritating thing about this is since I had a little bit of makeup on, I don't know what's going on with this lighting in my eyebrows. I don't like that, but okay. That doesn't matter. We're not talking about that. You still see me blending the hair. But yeah, y'all know when y'all put on makeup and then like you try to blend your hair and your makeup blends in with your edge control, and that's just not a good look. But take a paper towel or something at the end and just wipe it off and it'll be fine. But oh, that's what I forgot to say that I left out. So I usually, when I'm laying my edges, after I put on the edge control, I usually like to take some mousse, and I usually use the Creme of Nature mousse as well. I really like it for curly hair. It comes in a red bottle. I'll put that in the products as well. I like to put that on my edges, like right after I lay them. I forgot to do that in this video. They still look good, but that is something I usually do, so I wanted to add that. But yeah, you'll see me just laying my edges, laying those edges, yeah. Yes! Come through, sis. Now, you want to take that satin scarf, tie it around them edges, them bad boys. Time around, time around. Gotta let it set. Great edges didn't come by being lazy. Gotta let it set. Okay, let it set. So I usually I let it set for about 30 minutes, but a lot of times I let my edges set on my ride to work, which is about 40 minutes. So anywhere between 30 minutes to an hour, you should be fine. Now you see the drip. You see the drip. Yeah. And that's pretty much it, y'all. That's pretty much it. If you have any questions, definitely leave it in the comment section below. I think this style is really cute and easy. Even making the crochet wig itself was super easy. So for beginners, I would definitely recommend this style. But make sure that you like, comment, subscribe if you like this video, and share it with your friends, cousin, and them, because we popping on this channel with the hair tutorials. So thanks.